Have you ever wanted to view your security camera feeds from a monitor, but didn't have any need for DVR controls? Or do you wish you had an additional security monitor that's in a separate location from your recorder? Well, what you need is a spot monitor.
Hey man, we've been swapped up front. Can you put a spot monitor up there for us?
Oh hey Kyle, yeah, I can do that for you, no problem. Hi, can I get a box of a dozen donuts and a large coffee with caramel and cream? When you've got a spot monitor to install, you have one of two options. You can work harder or you can work smarter. And IPCamPower's PoE spot monitor allows you to do less work and spend more time on the things that are most important. Well, aside from the fact that it can be powered with a PoE switch and a single Ethernet cable, this monitor also comes with an integrated video decoder. The cables are all pre-connected, so this monitor is ready to go out of the box. Simply power it up with an Ethernet cable and a PoE switch and you're good to go. The video decoder interface pops right up and is ready for your cameras. This menu is super simple to navigate, especially if you're used to using NVRs. Jump into the menu, add your camera IP addresses, and your new spot monitor will be up and running in no time. Now you can just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and of course, maintain your perfect Wordle streak. This spot monitor is perfect for a number of situations. It's a perfect public view monitor for a retail store or a supermarket. It makes a great secondary monitor so you can stream your CCTV feeds anywhere you want without having to set up a bunch of cables or make your NVR publicly accessible. For example, let's say you have a client who just wants to view their security camera feeds without having to walk across the building just to get to their NVR. Well, that's where you come in because this monitor is perfect for that. All you have to do is connect a network cable to a PoE switch, run the cable up to 300 feet to the monitor, connect the cable to the PoE in port, and boom, you have your camera feeds. It's nice and compact with a 21.5-inch diagonal screen size, and it's VESA mountable, so you can put this thing pretty much anywhere you want. If you want to use this as more than just a spot monitor, you can do that too. It's got an additional HDMI connection. It also has a VGA connection, so you can use multiple inputs with this. This also has a USB output, allowing you to power a variety of media devices, such as a Roku or an Amazon Fire Stick. The options that you have with your IPCamPower PoE-powered spot monitor are limitless. To get your monitor today, simply click the links down in the description below and...
That spot monitor worked great. Hey, did you get the donuts for later?
I think that's my cue to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you're as excited about this monitor as I am. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us across social media for more security tips, tutorials, and reviews. Happy installing, and I will catch you in the next video.